Hi everyone, today's video is all about the hidden dangers of eating out too often. Restaurant food may seem delicious, but it often contains excessive oil, sugar, and salt that harm your health. We'll also discuss how often you should eat outside and the precautions to take when dining at a restaurant. Plus, we'll cover situations when you should completely avoid eating out. If you love eating out, stay tuned till the end to learn how to make smarter choices. Restaurants use a lot of oil, butter, and cream to make food tasty. This makes the food high in unhealthy fats, leading to weight gain, heart problems, and high cholesterol. At home, you can control the oil, but in restaurants, you have no idea how much is used. Many dishes are deep fried or cooked in hydrogenated oils, which contain trans fats that harm heart health. Even healthy restaurant meals often have hidden fats in sauces and dressings. Regularly consuming such meals increases bad cholesterol levels, raising the risk of heart disease. Even if you don't eat dessert, restaurant food has hidden sugar. Gravies, sauces, and even drinks have sugar to enhance taste. This increases blood sugar levels, causing weight gain and sugar cravings. Processed sugar is addictive and triggers cravings, making you want to eat more. Frequent sugar spikes can lead to insulin resistance, increasing the risk of diabetes. Even savory dishes like soups and curries often have added sugar to enhance flavor. Restaurant food has high amounts of salt and sodium-based preservatives. This leads to bloating, high blood pressure, and dehydration. You might feel puffy and sluggish the next day after eating out. Too much salt causes water retention, making you feel swollen and heavy. High sodium intake is linked to heart disease and kidney problems. Processed ingredients like soy sauce, canned foods, and spice mixes used in restaurants are loaded with hidden sodium. Most restaurants do not follow strict hygiene. The vegetables might not be washed properly, oil might be reused multiple times, and even the plates might not be fully clean. Eating unhygienic food can lead to food poisoning, stomach infections, and acidity. Dirty kitchen conditions increase the risk of bacterial contamination in food. Reused oil contains harmful compounds that can damage your liver and digestive system. Food stored improperly can develop mold and bacteria, leading to stomach flu or foodborne illnesses. To make food look attractive and taste better, restaurants add artificial flavors, colors, and preservatives. These chemicals can cause allergies, digestive issues, and even long-term health problems. Artificial colors and MSG, monosodium glutamate, are often used in Chinese and fast food, which can trigger headaches and nausea. Preservatives extend shelf life but can cause hormonal imbalances over time. Consuming such additives frequently increases the risk of inflammation in the body. At home, we eat controlled portions, but at restaurants, servings are large. You end up eating more than needed. Overeating regularly leads to weight gain, sluggishness, and bloating. Larger plates and unlimited buffets trick your brain into eating more than necessary. Even seemingly small portion sizes can have excess calories due to hidden ingredients. Consuming more food than your body needs leads to fat storage and slows digestion. Home food has fresh vegetables, dal, and whole grains that help digestion. But restaurant food is mostly refined flour, fried snacks, and heavy gravies with little fiber. This can cause constipation and slow metabolism. Lack of fiber leads to poor digestion and irregular bowel movements. Refined carbs like white bread, maida, and pasta spike blood sugar quickly but leave you feeling hungry soon after. Fiber-rich foods keep you full longer and support gut health, which is often missing in restaurant meals. Our stomach has good bacteria that help digestion. Eating too much processed and fried food harms gut bacteria, leading to acidity, indigestion, and even poor immunity. A diet high in unhealthy fats and sugars disrupts the gut microbiome, leading to bloating and inflammation. Poor gut health weakens immunity, making you more prone to infections. Apart from being unhealthy, restaurant food is expensive. Eating out too often wastes money that could be spent on fresh home-cooked meals, which are healthier and cheaper. A single restaurant meal often costs as much as 3 to 4 home-cooked meals. Preparing food at home allows you to choose high-quality ingredients while saving money. Investing in home cooking leads to better health and long-term financial savings. Let us see, how many times should you eat outside? Ideally, just once or twice a month to stay healthy. If you love dining out, go for grilled dishes, simple dals, or roti instead of deep-fried foods. Too much outside food can slow digestion, weaken immunity, and cause bloating. Homemade meals keep your gut strong and help control sugar and fat intake. Balance is key. If you eat outside once, make sure your next few meals are home-cooked and nutritious. Let's see how to eat healthy when dining out. Instead of fried food, choose grilled, steamed, or sautéed dishes to cut unhealthy fats. Ask for less salt, oil, and butter to avoid hidden excess. Skip soft drinks and packaged juices, go for fresh lime water or buttermilk instead. Carry your own water bottle for hygiene, and always prefer freshly cooked meals over buffet food that sits for hours. When should you avoid eating outside? During monsoon, bacteria multiply fast, increasing the risk of food poisoning. In extreme summer, food spoils quickly and can cause stomach infections. If you're unwell, restaurant food may weaken your immunity and slow recovery. Pregnant and postpartum women should avoid outside food as it may lack hygiene and nutrition. After food poisoning or digestion issues, give your gut a few weeks to heal before eating out again. Let us look at what we learnt in today's video. Restaurant food has too much oil, sugar, and salt, which can harm your health. Hidden chemicals and flavors affect digestion and gut balance. Overeating at restaurants often leads to weight gain and bloating. Eating out 1 to 2 times a month is safe, but more than that can be risky. It's best to avoid outside food during monsoon, extreme summer, and when you're unwell. Home-cooked meals are always better for both health and budget. So, choose wisely and keep your gut happy. If you're interested in a personalized, free diet plan to support your PCOS, thyroid or weight loss journey, simply fill out the form provided in the description box. By completing the form, you'll receive a tailored plan that aligns with your needs and preferences, making it easier to manage your symptoms naturally. Don't miss out on this free resource created just for you. Small choices make a big difference, so be mindful of what's on your plate. A strong gut means better energy, better mood, and fewer health problems. Eating out is fun, but nothing beats the goodness of home-cooked meals. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who needs a reminder. Stay healthy, eat smart, and we'll see you in the next video.